Hey, what's going on, everybody? Robin Prin here. You are watching yourself another episode of Man vs. Vacation.
It's happening.
It's a little early. It's approximately 5 o'clock in the morning. We're getting on a plane to go to Calgary, Canada to visit the Nailogicals. It looks real f***ing cold down there. Holy shit. Calgary looks like an asshole.
Whew, we made it.
Christine and Ben are outside. There they are. Hey! Can we even fit anything in here? Oh, look at this leg room.
Dad, are we there yet?
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Don't make us turn this car around, kid.
Bam, 1 kilometer. What the f is a kilometer?
Crazy.
Jesus Christ, Ben, don't run into the mountain.
Wait, where's the beach? You told us we were going to Fiji, guys. What the hell?
Oh, I got the shot first. Bam.
That's our hotel. Oh my god.
So pretty.
Great, it's like Harry Potter. It is like Hogwarts.
This place looks like a shithole. Welcome to vacation. This is some fancy YouTube shit. Oh, look at this.
Whoa.
All right, so what, we're in room 511 then? Just right next door or something? Whoa, 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 we're sharing the same room.
Rob, this is your room.
Oh, wow, look at that.
We're gonna be swingers now.
Wow.
That's the vacation I was waiting for.
Hey! So since it's Christmas time, we're gonna buy each other some presents.
All right, so what we did is we bought everyone a stocking.
Yay, socks.
So I'm gonna flip the coin, and heads is Ben, tails is Christine.
And then we call it.
Here we go, here we go.
Head of state, head of state.
Tails.
It is, I don't know what the f that is. It's Canadian f***ing bullshit money. What is this?
Oh wait, you got Christine. I think that's a perfect match, actually.
Guys, that's not fair.
That's correct.
Yeah!
You're not getting shit done.
I'm gonna surprise you, Rob.
So we all have a $200 spending limit, and it's all got to fit
Have it here.
in this stocking.
I got everyone the money. You get 200.
He can be very expensive.
Oh, and coal also. Wow. All right, cheers.
Rob.
All right, so we are in this restaurant. We are like the only people here. There's some smooth jazz, and we're drinking some fine wine.
Everyone left when you arrived.
To
To a family vacation.
back to Kenny G.
Bam! Hello everyone, it's me, Christine again. Welcome back to another video.
Oh my God.
Subscribe to my channel.
Whatever you do, don't get trapped in a room with Simplynailogical and a giant fucking horn. Or this fucking, what is
Keep her
it?
on the other side of the glass.
Like a fucking Ewok over there. Cool. Here we go. Vacation, day 1. Oh, what the shit is this?
It's snowing.
Wow.
It really is a white Christmas.
You said shiny side down? Yep.
Yeah. We aren't even hiking anymore. We are trekking. Like what you put on your fucking car. Like snow tires, but for your shoes.
on?
I gotta sit on this fucking snow? Jesus Christ.
Do you want me to wipe your ass for you? Oh, you guys are so fucking lucky.
This is nice. Come on, guys.
Is that good?
Where's our limo?
Yay!
I guess this is a fucking trail during the summer. That's what we're fucking doing right now. When you go on vacations, you think about, you know, beaches, pina coladas, fucking sand, warm weather. Christine is by far the noisiest motherfucker on this whole mount, hiking 2 hours with this shit.
2 hours. It's been like 15 minutes.
What? Look at all that nature. It is -2 Celsius. I don't know what the fuck that means, but anything in the negatives means that it's f***ing cold. Are we there yet? Jesus Christ. Whose fucking bullshit idea was this?
This is not a vacation.
This is a fucking shit show. Some National Geographic shit right here. Get the shit out of here. That is a frozen fucking waterfall.
The water's not falling if it's frozen.
Captain fucking Science over here. Holy shit. All right, that's fucking rad. All right, it was worth it. It's getting hot. It's like you're really cold, and then you start climbing a fucking mountain, and then you start getting really hot. My glasses are all fogging up. I'm sweating my dick off here. We gotta walk all this way back, too, right? Guess we're just gonna keep on walking till one of us fucking dies. I'm not really sure what the fucking plan is here. Hey, we're in a limousine. So here's the deal. These sons of bitches are all decked out in Calgary Flames gear. You know, you were really nice to buy for everybody, except me.
You're gonna get booed at.
Fuck you guys. I don't even like hockey. I don't even know why I'm going to this fucking game. You're in Calgary now, man! Here's the fucking problem. I'm gonna take this fucking hat off. But I gotta get the fuck out of here. Hey, welcome to vacation. Day number 3. Kurt and I are going dog sled racing. Holy me. It's because I look like a cat, isn't it? They didn't tell me that I would be in this thing. You gotta be fucking kidding me.
Easy!
How you feeling back there?
Pretty good, pretty confident. My hands are freezing though.
So are mine. These gloves aren't doing shit. Ben and Christine are right there. How's it going over here?
Good, good. How you doing?
You'll be riding dirty.
I see a lot of dog ass from this angle. I thought this was supposed to be a vacation. Nice cat head.
When you probably subscribe to this channel, you probably weren't expecting to see me in a cat mask. Fucking killing it while dog sledding. Corinne's over here in her little sled, her little caboose.
Whoa! Easy!
You did awesome.
You guys did so good.
Day 5 of Man vs. Vacation. If you're wondering what happened on day 4, I still don't know. But here we are in
Lake Louise.
Lake Louise.
This is a lake that is frozen that we are walking on right now.
Oh, Jesus, that's the lake right there.
Don't break the lake.
Jesus Christ. I literally almost just fell into the lake.
Yep, it was a sad day. We lost Robin to the lake. Now it's just me and you kids.
So here,
Oh, what?
I gotta pee.
Ew.
Hold on.
Gross.
Okay, all right, finished.
I think you need to drink more water. Look at this magnificent nature. First of all, these trees are so cute. I love them. They're my new favorite trees.
We're gonna have an attempt here at a snow devil.
You gotta move your arms and legs around now.
That didn't really turn out right. How much f***ing further are we going? I can't even see the goddamn hotel anymore. That's the hotel we're staying at, right there. That's real life. I am literally f***ing staying at that hotel. Looks like a goddamn movie. There's also, I heard about an ice bar back at the hotel that they open up in a couple hours, so I think we should head there next.
Yeah, ice bar.
This whole thing is made out of ice. What is that, a trout?
This is how you warm up. You drink some Canadian whiskey.
This young gentleman here is getting a shot of Fireball.
Uh-oh. This is breakfast.
Cheers.
Happy holidays.
Cheers.
Yeah.
Lake Louise.
Like Louise, yeah.
You want a little sip of that? There we go.
That's what Fireball tastes like.
Oh, damn. So you put it in the snow?
Yeah, I can let you do it.
Oh, come on now.
Slowly. Slower, Rob. Patience.
Pure diabetes right there is what that is. Yeah, oh, look at that. It's a good looking one. Yeah.
Wow, that's sugary.
The beers are a little frozen.
Not gonna stop me.
Okay, so I'm at the bank, and I've decided that Rob's Christmas present is gonna be whatever 200 American dollars is in Canadian loonies. Merry Christmas, Rob. Love you.
Hey! What'd you guys get?
Nothing.
All right, well, everybody just got back and we are at our new accommodations for the evening. Ben and Christine thought it would be a good idea for us to, you know, connect a little bit more with nature and get a little bit more rustic. So they got us this Canadian log cabin. Let's see, are they in there? Oh yeah. Hey, look at all these guys, huh?
Hello.
Hanging out in the cabin. Yeah, we're out here. We're deep in the wilderness.
This is our bed.
That's the ThreadBanger bed right here. We got Ben's bed right here, and then that's Christine's bed right here.
Don't come near my fire.
We got some rich-ass bullshit charcuterie board here.
It looks beautiful.
It does. It looks really good.
It's just how fancy people live.
This is actually, this is all the food we have for the next 3 days. Very rustic here.
I'm not sure that that's gonna last, so who are we gonna eat first?
No, all right. It's usually the most healthy one because they're gonna taste better.
Yeah.
She doesn't eat sugar, gluten, dairy, nothing.
Oh, she's not gonna taste good at all then.
No, she's like grass-fed beef over here.
Whoa. Is this the only game you guys brought?
You need to learn, Rob.
History, arts, geography.
That's general.
The St. Lawrence River originates in which Great Lake?
This is an ocean.
All right, you got 10 seconds for your final answer.
We'll say Lake Ontario.
Lake Ontario is the answer.
I knew it.
Ben's turn the spin.
That's some history.
We had a little history.
What the heck is it?
Here's to a night in the cabin.
I'm cold. Dad, warm me up.
Hey, be quiet over there.
Guys, turn the fire back on.
You get a little first base action.
Come, hey guys, we're all in the same cabin here. This'll be good times. Oh yeah.
All right. Good night, everyone.
Good night, Ben.
Good night, Rob.
Good night, Christine.
Good night, Corinne.
Good night, Christine.
Good night, Rob.
Good night, Ben.
Good night, Corinne.
Good night, Moon.
Okay, shut the f up. Just go to bed. Hey, Corinne, turn on the light over there. I gotta go to the bathroom.
What happened last night?
What the f is going on over here? Day 5, 6, 7, 8 of vacation, ice skating. Not sure where we're at, what we're doing. Who am I? There's Ben in his native Canadian environment.
What's up, Pete?
Oh, and there's Corinne. You okay?
Why did that have to happen right then? Go sit down on the bench. You and Ben go have fun together.
Ben and I are just gonna go in circles and film each other. We are the only ones out on this ice. Yeah, buddy. Natural born Canadian. Coming for you. Is it me or can you see through the light like all these like particles of ice? That's crazy. The Christmas magic fill in the air right there, you see that? It's so cold that electronics do not work out here. Ben's phone is freezing.
It just shut off.
Corinne's given up, and I'm done. Back to the room. All right, it's midnight, night before Christmas. Santa deserves a cookie, right?
Rob, you fucking dick. Can't spell reindeer right. Gotta fill this for Corinne. Job done. Nice and full. Santa's going back to bed.
Merry Christmas with no H. It's Christmas morning. I woke up first. Oh my god, guys. Santa ate part of the cookie. But the reindeer were like, fuck those carrots. We peek into my stocking. What the f*** is there nothing in my stocking? You again, Rob. Santa's been here.
I see a wild Christine doing wild things. Oh yeah, Unikitty. Shake that little tail. Yeah. We have Ben over here as a magical unicorn. You look so happy. I have my Harry Potter one on, which just looks kind of like my normal clothing, so I lucked out.
Hey, I'm Rob. Come and play with me.
Really? This is what Christmas is to you? Someone ate a bite of the cookie. Santa was here. Or was it you? All right, who's playing Santa? Chucky?
Sure. Where do we start?
Stockings. Can you get those out without?
Nope.
Rob's the worst Santa ever, so I'm gonna take over the job. All right, here is the first C. All right, open your stocking. So this is from Rob.
Starbucks? Bam! Cool.
Wait, you have to be her drink slave all day on Christmas too. That was part of the deal.
Tea!
See?
Wow! Socks!
Aw.
Oh!
Everyone
I love
looks-
these socks.
Yeah.
Thank you, Rob.
Let's see what Christine got for Rob.
This is a heavy one right here. Oh, we're looking at a pair of socks. Lululemon. Thanks, Mom. Oh, we got another pair of socks. Perfect. We got a Christmas cash.
Oh, nice.
Some Reese. They don't even call them Reese's over here. Just
Just Reese.
is this a knockoff brand?
Probably from 1982.
What is this? Get out of here. What the
Wait, you got
Sorry.
$200 in Canadian loonies for you.
Wow, this is gonna make my luggage a lot heavier.
I'm
Wow.
sorry, though.
Oh, thank you so
There you
much.
go. You're welcome. Merry
Oh,
Christmas.
Merry Christmas. Moving on to the next stocking here.
Do Ben's next.
We got the big B in the house.
Oh, get that book too.
There's a book.
Hard to see.
Corinne, you got me a banana book?
It's nice cream.
Oh, a little note. Meet me later. Know what this is?
Oh!
Wow, who would've-
Peanut butter?
Uh-huh.
You really know the way to my heart.
Banana
Banana bread?
Yes.
Heyo.
This didn't fit in your stocking.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
You actually got a gift.
I did.
Wow.
That's so nice. Why did you do this? We'll take this to Fiji, you and me.
That's what you really got.
That. It's a roots bag.
It's Roots, not sponsored. It's way too nice.
No.
Thank you so much.
I'm gonna cut all this sentimental shit. For Corinne, here we go. Here.
50 walks and hikes in Banff National Park.
Boom, we were there. We probably did at least one of them.
Ooh. Aw, look. It's the little kitty I wanted the other day.
Wow, where are you gonna put that?
With the rest of my porcelain cats that I collect.
Thanks, Ben.
Look at this. I love a spoon. Ooh, look. This is beautiful. It's a Galaxy Dream texture. So thoughtful, Ben. I love rocks.
That's why she married me.
Because I like to be stuck in between a rock and a hard place. Wow.
Wow.
It's like galaxy rocks.
Yeah. Thanks, Ben. Oh, what's this?
Oh, there's more. What the fuck is that?
Don't tell Rob.
Oh, are you proposing? Oh, wow. Look at these beautiful.
What the Jewelry and leather bags for each other?
The budget was $200.
This is some fucking bullshit.
Budget. That's stupid.
Wow. Mom and Dad got the real gifts.
All right, we're gonna go get breakfast.
Are we invited? I don't even know. It's so cold out here. Well, that's it, folks. The vacation's over. It's been one goddamn week of me just freezing my fucking nuts off in this place. Ready to go back home.
I think I need a vacation from this vacation.
What do you think? Are we gonna vacation with these fucking guys again?
Hell no.
No, I don't think so.
Maybe Ben.
Yeah.
Final vacation.
We're going in the same car.
That's it. The ThreadBanger vacation has concluded.
Seeing you. Merry Christmas.
Thank you guys.
See y'all later. Bye.